Hi, I'm Mrs. Smith. Thanks for joining me. Let's see what we have planned today. Today we're talking about triangles. Wait, what? Triangles. Yeah, that makes more sense. As you probably already know, triangles are polygons with 3 sides and 3 angles. But did you know you can classify them by their sides? If a triangle has all 3 congruent sides, meaning all the sides are the same length, they're all equal, well, when all sides are equal, that's an equilateral triangle. If a triangle only has 2 congruent sides, or 2 equal sides, then just like you have 2 eyes, a triangle with 2 congruent sides is isosceles. A triangle with no congruent sides, no sides the same length whatsoever, well, that's a scalene triangle. Triangles can be classified by their sides, and they can also be classified by their angles. A triangle with all acute angles, all the angles are less than 90 degrees. That's an acute triangle. And by the way, fun fact, an acute triangle with equal angles is called equiangular. All the angles would be 60 degrees in that case. A triangle with one obtuse angle, and it only takes one. If it has one obtuse angle, any obtuse angle, then it's an obtuse triangle. You don't even need to look at the other 2 angles. If it has one obtuse angle, you're done. It's an obtuse triangle. Same thing with a right triangle. If it has one right angle, and that's all it can have, so if you see a right angle, you don't even have to check for anything else. It's a right triangle. And now it's time to play Name That Triangle. On the left, you'll see a triangle. See if you can pick its correct name from the list on the right. Here's your first triangle. Does it have all equal sides? 2 equal sides? Or no equal sides? What do you think? It has 2 congruent sides, so that makes it isosceles. Now how about if we named it by its angles? Does it have all acute angles like an acute triangle would have? Do you see an obtuse angle? One angle that's more than 90 degrees like an obtuse triangle? Do you see a right angle like a right triangle would have? All the angles are less than 90 degrees. That makes it an acute triangle. Next triangle, name this one. Is it a scalene triangle? Or maybe an isosceles triangle? Or perhaps an equilateral triangle? What do you think? Which one? Scalene. No equal sides. Next, what do you see here? Name this triangle. It had one right angle, so it's a right triangle. Well, that was some fun with triangles. I'll see you next time for some more math fun. See you later.